Yes, ma'am.
You're covering short question answers, short question answers, summary, long question answers.
Excuse me, मैम
Yes.
मैम वो एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन के संग वो पीडीएफ वाले भी करने हैं
PDF only the important questions which you feel that there are some important questions apart from the NCRT questions, that only you have to do it.
ओके
ठीक है
मैम
बेटा? Right. Let's move to the first. No, this is not the first poem. First poem you have done that. The photograph.
ओके मैम
First photograph poem you have done that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this is the second poem of your syllabus. The Voice of the Rain. Second poem is The Voice of the Rain of the book Hornbill.
Ma'am, third poem.
Right?
मैम थर्ड
Ma'am,
पोएम
third poem. Ma'am, Laburnum
No.
Top, second poem.
Okay. Yeah. Second, we have done the Laburnum Top also. Right. This is the third one. The Voice of the Rain. I don't think any more poem will be coming in your first term syllabus after that. Or today we will discuss for your first term syllabus with the other unit teachers, and I'll get you know. Okay? What all the chapters will be coming in your first term syllabus. Today I'll get to know, and then I'll convey to you. So who is the poet? Walt Whitman. Right. The Voice of the Rain. What could be the title suggest to you? Once you read the title, The Voice of the Rain, what it comes in your mind? What could be the meaning of that? Anybody have any idea? No, not Ayush. Only just raise your hands. Mute everybody. Prince Yadav, new student, better muted yourself.
Ma'am, question repeat कर दीजिए.
Question is that, what does this title suggest? The Voice of the Rain.
Ma'am, it
Sneha
means
Sharma. Sneha.
यस मैम
Yes, bete.
मैम जब बारिश आती है तो मैम जब बारिश आती है जब उसकी आवाज आती है मैम वो
ये तो it's just an Hindi translation of that line. Kartike.
yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am,
Good morning,
it actually means that when the rain starts, the drop
Mhm.
of the rain creates just a sound which create many type of feeling, which create
Mhm.
feeling in the mind of the poet. It actually means that.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we can say that. Anurag Singh.
Ma'am, it refers to the pattering sound of the rain.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It creates a blissful feeling in the mind of the poet.
Yes, we can say that. It's almost the same answer. Kanishka Tagore.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's a imaginary poem written by the poet Walt Whitman. In this poem, the poet wants to say that the rain is personified, and the poet asks the rain to explain itself.
Very good. Mm-hmm.
In this, uh, in response to the speaker, the rain talks about how it is pure and intangible,
Mm-hmm.
and it talks about the cycle goes through. nahin, It talks about the
Yes, very good. It's well described.
cycle goes through by the emerging from the heaven lands on the earth.
Yes, absolutely correct. Good. Good, Kanishka. Tanvi Mangal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this
Yes,
poem,
beta.
the poet wants to ask something from rain, and he feels that rain is answering. So here is giving voice of the rain, but that is only personified. The way, as the rain never speaks, but it is personified as a human trait.
Very good. देखिए, so first of all, the voice of the rain. Voice. Whose voice is there? Rain's voice. Right. अब voice के भी बात, if we are talking about the voice, it means कि there is somebody who is alive. ठीक है. अब the voice of the rain, however, the rain is not alive, the living thing at all. Everybody knows. But here, the rain is being personified. But here, the rain is being personified. That's why the title of this poem is The Voice of the Rain. Did you understand that title?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, fine. Let's move to the typical words of this poem. First of all, in the first line, there is everybody have the book. Just write the meanings. Just write the meanings. Art, A-R-T. It's mean R. It's not art. Drawing wala arts, no. Its meaning here is R. A-R-E. Second word is thou. T-H-O-U. Thou. It means you. You. Y-O-U. Right? Soft falling shower is slight rains. This is sprinkling of the rain. This light rains, हल्की वाली बारिश जो होती है, that is called soft falling shower. Eternal. Eternal means permanent. Eternal is permanent. Impalpable. Impalpable. Something that cannot be touched. Something that cannot be touched. It just feels. We can just feel it. We cannot touch it. Bottomless, endless. Whence. W-H-E-N-C-E, whence. Whence means this word derived from the where. It means from where. Vaguely, not clearly. Vaguely, not clearly. Descent, D-E-S-C-E-N-D, descent. Downward. Everybody know descent, descending, ascending. Descent is downward. Origin root.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Yes, beta.
मैम बॉटमलेस का मीनिंग क्या था?
Endless. Bottomless
you.
is endless. Yes. Live. L-A-V-E. L-A-V-E. Wash. It means wash. W-A-S-H. Atomies. Atomies is the tiny particles. Little particles, tiny particles. Latent. L-A-T-E-N-T. Latent. Hidden. H-I-D-D-E-N. Hidden. Beautify. Make something beautiful. Make something beautiful. That is called beautify. Issuing everybody's note. Everybody knows what is the meaning of issuing?
Yes,
Coming
ma'am.
out.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming out.
Yes, ma'am.
Wandering, roaming here and there. That is called wandering. Now, the word ragged is here. R-E-C-K-E-D, ragged. Ragged means care about. Ragged, it's cared about. Something which has been cared a lot. That is called ragged. Duly is properly. Duly, properly. Where we use these words a lot. Duly. We use this word a lot in one particular thing. Where? Any idea? If we write any letter, any official letters or any applications, we use that word duly. Returns, come back. Returns, comes back. So these are the some important words. Okay. Now let's start the poem. The first paragraph, the first line. And who are you? And who art thou is written, but it means and who are you? Said I to the soft falling shower. First, you have to understand in each and every line which line I refers to what. Like in first line, I refers to
Poet.
Exactly.
Walt Whitman.
Poet. Right.
Poet.
In first line, I refers to the poet. What the poet is saying here? Can I ask from the soft falling shower, the light rains which is there? I asked from them, who are you? The poet just wanted to ask the identity of that soft falling shower. Who are you? Why are you here? What are you doing? What is your need here? Which is strange to tell. Which is very strange to tell. Give me an answer. Now here, the poet is just trying to describe or make us understand that answer what he got from the rain. Is it possible the rain can give the answer?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, not at all. But as I already told you that the rain is being personified here. That's why they have used here that the poem, the answer has been given by the rain itself, which is very
Ma'am, excuse-
strange. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, here I think personification is not used. Here I think apostrophe is used because apostrophe is apostrophe is basically a direct address to the dead or the absent or a personified object or an idea. But here the poem is giving the answer back, so I think it is not personification but apostrophe.
See, Ayush, what you are saying, that is also correct. But if you will get the question like that, which figure of speech is used here, you have to write the answer personification. However, we will discuss that thing also what you have told us. Right? We will discuss that thing also at the end of the poem. Right? But for the figure of speech, if it will come like that in your 11th standard question, then you have to write the figure of speech personifies is used here. Right? Ayush, are you listening
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Once we will end that poem, we will discuss that point also what you have just said.
Okay.
Okay? Right. So which is strange to tell, give me an answer as here translated. Now what the poet is saying here, that answer what I got from the rain, it is very strange. Now, he is going to just translate it for us. What is that? I am the poem of the earth. What answer he got? I am the poem of the earth. Now the question arises again, what is the meaning of the poem of the earth? However, we have the poems in our syllabus also. What is the meaning of the poem refers here? Poem से क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे? What the poet is just trying to say us?
Ma'am, it means that the rain is very important for the earth.
We
Ma'am,
can say that.
signifies the action and the changes occur in the nature and the earth.
Poem means, what is the meaning of the poem here? Not even here. What is the meaning of the poem? हम poem से क्या समझते हैं? Like we have the poems in our syllabus also. There are 4 or 5 or 6 poems. Anybody else? And what is the need of the poem? Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, poem is a work of literature which poets write for maybe entertainment or for pouring their feelings and sending those feelings and the messages away far across the land to others. And just like here, rain is comparing itself to poem. That a poem, as like rain is very essential for the living beings, just like the poems, because poems give us messages and make us grow as a person, and sometimes even give us inspiration to write our own poems.
You're not audible, Ayush.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, now it's audible.
So, ma'am, the poem here, the rain is comparing itself to the poem. Just poem is a work of literature. So, poem is written by a poet to express his feelings or send a message across the land about something. And just like rain, which compares itself to a poem, poems are very essential for life, just like the rain, because it makes a person better and makes us feel things and make us grow as a person, and maybe sometimes even inspire us to write other poems too.
Exactly. Exactly it is. See, the poem. Why the poem is there? Why the poet writes the poem? Because it is very it is very sensitive. It is very like they use that way to express the feelings, or they just to spread the important messages. Right? As we have read that poem, you remember, everybody remember, we have just read it, that Laburnum Top. Laburnum Top, we have read that poem.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So we got there is also some messages. We got some messages over there. The same like that here in the Voice of the Rain also. In their in that poem, Voice of the Rain, the rain is comparing itself with the poem of the earth. A poem makes that's like we have the poem in the literature syllabus. It makes our literature beautiful. It makes our literature beautiful, right? And in the same way, why it has been comparing here as the poem of the earth, because what the rain is saying here, as the poem being a poem of the earth, I first complete all the requirements of the elements of the earth, like the human beings, animals, valleys, mountains, rivers, right? So how important I am, and without me nothing is there. I make the earth beautiful. I make requirements. I meet all the requirements, whatever they require. Right? Everybody got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At
Yes,
least
ma'am.
raise your hands. You cannot speak, raise your hands. You understand why I am the poem of the earth? Am I not audible or what? Class, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, beta. There was a disconnection. We got disconnected. Yes, beta. Dia, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
All right. So, did you understand why the poem of earth is here? However, how it will do, we will get to know in the whole poem. Abhi, we haven't started the poem. Okay? How the whole process will take place, we will get to know once we will read that poem. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Right. Set the voice of the rain. अब I am the poem of the earth. Set the voice of the rain. ये किसने कहा? Poem of the earth ने खुद उसने rain ने उसको ये आंसर दिया कि I am the poem of the earth. Eternal I rise. Eternal. I told you the meaning of the eternal. Eternal is permanent.
Permanent.
Eternal is permanent. Eternal I rise impalpable. Impalpable is something that we cannot touch. Something what cannot be touched. It's just feel. So what he's saying here, again, who is I here in that line? Okay, you will get the right. You will get the extract. You will get the extract from this poetry section. Okay, so like you will get 2 lines from the 2 lines from the second paragraph of wherever. So the question will like that: कि I is referring to what? Up that you should know कि in which paragraph I is the poet, because you will get in the second paragraph or maybe in the third paragraph that I is there, but it will referring to the poet, not to the rain. Okay, so you have to understand that thing also. Eternal I rise impalpable here. You can do one thing also कि wherever I is there, as line by line I am explaining you, you can write here I here is rain and I here is poet. So you will not feel any problem once you will read that. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Just read that line very carefully. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Bottomless also I told you, endless. It does not have any end, that is called bottomless, right? Who make me understand this line? A little difficult is there, but it's not possible that you will not be understand. Just make a try. Kanishka, Tanvi, who else is there? There are a lot of students today. The strength is good. Anybody else will try? Somebody from new students? Anyone from the new students class? We have a lot of new students. Who will try from the new students? Nobody from new students? Ritik Kushwa, you are new student, beta? Ritik Kushwa, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. You are from which school?
St. Paul's.
Sorry?
St. Paul's.
I didn't get it.
St. Paul's.
Okay, St. Paul's. Can you make me understand this line? What the poet is trying to say here?
Now I don't have book.
Do you have the book? You don't have the book, beta? Let me ask from somebody else. Khushi Yadav? Khushi Yadav, news. Yes, beta, you are from which school?
Ma'am, Sunflower Public School.
Sunflower School. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try?
Ma'am, I also don't have book.
Beta, if you guys don't have book, I have already download that e-book on the WhatsApp group. If we have.
Ma'am, but that not visible for me.
You're not added?
मैम आई एम एडेड बट जो चीज आपने भेजी थी वो मेरे को दिखाई नहीं, वो मेरे को विजिबल नहीं है, मतलब मेरे को शो नहीं कर रही है.
अच्छा, तो what I'll do, I'll just send it again. ठीक है? So you will get that PDF.
Okay.
You can download from there. Who will take the responsibility? Who will do that? Who can just resend that PDF?
Ma'am, only admins can send the message in that group.
May I?
All right. Kanishka, can you do that? Can you resend that PDF of the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Tanisha
fine.
is the admin.
Tanisha is the admin. Yes, whomsoever the admin is, please do that. Kindly do that for the new students so they can get that chapters.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Let me ask. Saksham Gupta, new student. Yes, he'll try. He has raised the hand. Yes, Saksham.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it means that, ma'am, the rain is born in the form of water vapor, which rises from the sea and oceans.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And the bottomless sea?
The rain is born in the form of water vapor, which the water is evaporate from the sea.
Mm-hmm.
So, and that's why it rises upward to the heaven. Heaven is the sky.
Okay. Everybody is aware about the water cycle? How does the rain form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
सबको पता है
Yes, ma'am.
water cycle वाला पूरा process?
Yes, ma'am.
देखिए, right now we don't have so much time. I think 3 or 4 minutes are left. Those who are aware about the water process, fine. Those who are not aware about it, just get it. Go and get it. Right? Ki what is the water cycle? Because in this line we will read about the whole water cycle process. How does the rain form? This line is self-explanatory कि इसमें पूरा का पूरा जो है वो आपका water cycle जो है, जो rain कैसे form होती है, that is the main thing it is telling. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. This is your homework. Tomorrow we will discuss this line in the class. And I will ask from anybody. ठीक है क्लास? ये सिर्फ एक लाइन है, बट ये एक्चुअली में एक पूरा प्रोसेस है जो कि पूरी तरीके से आपको इस पोएम में बताया जा रहा है. ठीक है? ये एक छोटी सी लाइन नहीं है बस, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें इंक्लूडेड है जो कि आपको इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट इट अंडरस्टैंड. बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स जो मेनली जो कॉमनली आज जो क्वेश्चन जो है इस पोएम में से, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इटर्नली आई राइज इम्पैल्पेबल आउट ऑफ द लैंड. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Somebody was there who wanted to try? Kanishka? Yes, Kanishka.
Ma'am, the rain said that it was the poem of the earth and it rose continuously from the land and the bottomless ocean in the form of vapors.
Okay. Not this much. It should be a like full description about it. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, excuse me. In this line, the poem is saying that it forms from an everlasting cycle as it rises as vapor from the land and seas and other water bodies. In the form of vapors, it rises above and forms cloud. And
This is exactly what we call, Ayush, this is exactly what we call
evaporation. I was going to say.
right. These what is the like important part of this is the part this process is a part of
Water cycle.
very good. That's what I told you, right? Then what happened after that? That is called evaporation. What he was telling. Yes, you can continue, Ayush.
Ma'am, I was almost done. So basically, in an everlasting water cycle, the rain, the water vapors rises from land and sea because of the heat produced by sun or
Yes.
from the heat from within the land. The evaporation occurs and the water vapors go to heaven, as signified in the poem. Heaven is basically the clouds are formed like in the sky, and yes, this
Yes,
is the meaning
exactly.
of that line.
And there when they went to that heaven means the sky, there they take the vaguely formed is means as we see the
Uncertain.
different shapes of the clouds, as we see the different, there are the different shapes of the clouds there. They are not fixed कि भैया इसकी शेप ये होगी इसकी शेप होगी. No, it is not like that. वो कैसी भी शेप ले लेते हैं. After that evaporation process, what happened? The clouds formed and they again vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. उसके बाद क्या होता है? After again what happened? What
The
happened
same
after that,
process.
class?
After that, the same process continues.
Exactly. Now the question arises, in that whole process, when it is coming from that water bodies maybe the ocean, seas, rivers, ponds, lakes, whatever we have, the water bodies, it comes, rises. What is the origin of the rain? Origin is what? Main origin. जिसे हम कह सकते हैं birth. Main origin of the rain is the water bodies. Okay. And now what is the process taking place? Evaporation. By the heating of the sun, it is getting evaporated and in the forms of the water vapors, it is going to the heaven. Heaven means sky. That's what it is saying. Eternal arise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed altogether, changed and yet the same. In these two lines, it is well described that evaporation, by the help of the evaporation process,